On behalf of Expert Village, this is Dina Catrone of Tall Order in New York City. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy Thai dinner. Okay, so the chicken is cooking, and you'll see that the ends of the chicken all around, when they turn white, you'll see that that underside is done. And then you can flip it over. And I really like to brown it a little bit. I think that it makes a nice presentation. And then here are the skewers that I'm going to be using. When they're done, I'm going to put them into the pan, and then I'm going to put them onto these skewers. These are bamboo skewers, which are really pretty, and you can fit 2 of these cubes on there. And so every person, every time they pick up a skewer, they can dip it into the peanut sauce and eat it right off of the skewer, or they can take it off the skewer, whatever they like. But these are good finger foods. I use this for a lot of the catering that we do, and people can just pick it up, dip it in the peanut sauce, and just eat it right there when they're having a drink. So they're quite useful. I like these. These are my favorites. I've tried all kinds. So I actually get them at a restaurant supply store, but I'm sure they have them in any of the Asian markets. They would have them, so you can pick them up there.